What's that?
These are the gear selectors.
I see.
And they can go in two ways.
Oh, goody.
But hopefully, well, that one's round about. Oh, fuck, I hope I haven't put it in the right way because I put it in that way.
Oh, no.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
And so you can tell the way it goes because this here is worn.
All right.
That's what actually goes to your selector plate. And the other thing is, inside there, that's first, neutral, second, third, fourth.
Oh, I see.
That's the gears.
And the arm goes on that.
Goes in here.
Oh, yes.
And that, this is facing out, isn't it? So, why isn't that going in there?
I don't know. Because it can. Oh, the quandrum of it all.
And see, these things move these.
Oh,
They are actual gear selectors.
I see.
So if it's not going to work, I'll put this gearbox in it. See? That's fourth gear.
How do you know all this, Rex?
Because I'm incredibly fucking clever.